Hello everyone, this is Supriya here and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the importance of balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. The importance of a balanced diet can't be emphasized enough for a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can be attained by maintaining a balanced diet and keeping into consideration to meet all the essential nutrients required by the body. A proper meal plan helps to attain ideal body weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular, and other types of cancer. Now, what is a balanced diet? In simple words, it's a diet that offers the nutrients to help your body function properly. The importance of diet lies in the intake of the right amount of calories. Your body gets the right nutrition when you consume a wide variety of food rich in calories such as fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains and proteins. Once you intake the food, the calories are consumed when you run, think or breathe. On average, a person may require about 2000 calories a day to maintain their body weight. Generally, a person's calories may depend on their gender, age and physical activity. Moreover, men need more calories than women. Again, people who are more into exercising require more calories in comparison to people who don't. It's also important to remember that the source of calories is equally important as the amount. Stuffing your food with empty calories, that is those that don't contain any nutrition value, doesn't help in any way. Empty calories can be found in foods such as sugar, butter, cookies, cakes, energy drinks, ice creams, pizza, etc. Eating a healthy diet is all about feeling great, having more energy, improving your health, and boosting your mood. Good nutrition, physical activity, and healthy body weight are essential parts of a person's overall health and well-being. There is no questioning the importance of healthy food in your life. Unless you maintain a proper diet for a healthy body, you may be prone to diseases, infection, or even exhaustion. The children also needs balanced diet. Otherwise, they may face common health problems that may arise like heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes. Being physically active manages many health problems and improves mental health by reducing stress, depression, and pain. Regular exercise helps to prevent metabolic syndrome, stroke, high blood pressure, arthritis, and anxiety. A balanced diet includes some specific healthy food groups under it. Vegetables such as leafy greens, starchy vegetables, legumes like beans and peas, red and orange vegetables and other like eggplant. Fruits that include whole fruits, fresh or frozen fruits but not canned ones dipped in syrup. Grains such as whole grains and refined grains, for example, quinoa, oats, brown rice, barley, and buckwheat. Protein such as lean beef and pork, chicken, fish, beans, peas, and legumes. Dairy products such as low-fat milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, and soya milk. A wide variety for the selection of food choices should be from each of 5 food groups in the specific amounts recommended. These food sources from each food group provide a similar amount of key, micro, and macronutrients to meet the body requirements. A balanced diet typically contains 50 to 60% carbohydrates, 12 to 20% protein, and 30% fat. All the organs and tissues need proper nutrition to work effectively by consuming the right amount of nutrients and calories to maintain an ideal weight. The overall health and well-being of a person are dependent on good nutrition, physical exercise, and healthy body weight. The body requires quality carbohydrates, lean protein, essential fats, and fluids, accompanied by regular exercise in maintaining physical health and well being. These are effective in preventing excess weight gain or in maintaining weight loss. But healthy lifestyles are also associated with improved sleep and mood. Also, healthy practices of eating. Some of them which you can follow are: eat in small portions. You can do this by eating in small bowls to trick your brain into thinking it to be larger portions. Take time to eat. Not rushing your meals in between other work but taking the time to nourish your meals can send signal to your brain that you have had enough food necessary for functioning. Next is cut down on snacks. Unhealthy snacks are a strict no as they hamper your hunger. Switching to healthy bite-sized food can help. Curb emotional eating. Binge eating can be extremely harmful. Using it to relieve yourself from stress, sadness, or anxiety may affect your health. Instead, you can use healthier alternatives to beat negative emotions. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to my channel.